Hello everybody and welcome back to the chateau, and there's a big burning ball in the sky which I haven't seen for a very long time. So it is a beautiful, beautiful day. Chilly but bright and crisp, which is exactly what is needed because I need to get the tower scaffolding, now my back's a bit better, from the chapel into the master suite so I can get to the top end and start finishing off that master suite renovation. It is getting so much easier when I can just climb up and sit safely on top of that, which is fantastic. Although there is quite a bit to do, and I'm going to decide what I want to do about the plasterwork in the top yet. However, this long, laborious and frankly dull job, getting this wallpaper down and then allowing the walls to dry out afterwards, well, do you know what? I will be using that time to look at something else, as the light in this room changes constantly from out there depending on day or night. So what I want to do quickly, because this is the first section I did, so that's dried now, is I want to quickly test out the new piece of equipment, which is for the walls, which will likely sand the walls. And this corner, I want to put a bit of the paint of the colour that I have chosen, so while I'm doing the rest of the wallpaper in the room, I can look back and see how it looks at various stages of the day to see if it's right before I go all out. So I suppose first off, I'll open the cheap ceiling and wall sander, hook it up to a hoover, hopefully not spray it everywhere with dust. Wow. She can't get away from. Let's try my new gadget. this is just a little tin to begin with. Now, as you're wondering what colour I went for. Yeah, so am I. Come on. Yeah, you see, you're not going to know now. Let's get a little patch on the wall and then we'll have a look at it in the morning sun. I will actually roller the room properly. This will get sanded again, so it won't matter about brush marks. I just desperately want to see what this looks like in the sun. It is the next day and I have been getting on with more stuff in this room and staring over at this colour in the various different aspects of the day as the light has changed. I'm not sure. In wood, of course, it would need another coat, but it's... I don't know what. I think it will go well with cream and gold, and it is not too dark based on how much light there is and space. And I appreciate I haven't done any on that wall yet, but I think that will go well with this gold and with the fireplace. But it just doesn't. I don't know. I mean, this is. Right. Is that close? I mean, technically, you shouldn't be able to see that in it. Yeah, I mean, I certainly feel like this is darker, but maybe it will be with a second coat. And I do. It's darker than that. I want really, and I appreciate everyone's comments regarding a dark room, but a dark room is cosy, and it's when in the evening it's lots and lots of sunlight, so it won't be too oppressing at all. So, what do you think of this? I would love to hear your opinions, your thoughts on that colour. I know lots of people were a bit wary regarding the colour choice because they thought it would be a little bit too dark. However, I think that works. I certainly like it, and I think we'll just have to find out as the room progresses, and as I see it in the different lights as I'm going through the room. But always really, really love to hear your thoughts, so please do leave a comment what you think, and maybe you can possibly see my vision for this room coming together. Other than that, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.